Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Gun Breakdown, a Beginner's Guide. Today we're going to be going over how do I, and it is going to be over how do I install my flared Magwell from Shield Arms on my Glock 43X pistol, or 48. And it's really simple. So it'll come together with the grip plug already on it right here. My grip plug is already in here. So it'll come together just like that. That's what it'll look like when you put it in. And then when you get it put in, get it put on, so right here, just like that, that'll set there. This is what it'll look like when it's sitting in place. And then all you're going to do is take the Allen wrench that comes with it, and then you're going to tighten it, which is going to flare that Magwell out, or flare the grip plug that's in there in. Okay, now we got that. We can flip this over. Okay, don't need that anymore. So, and here we go. You have your flared Magwell for your Glock 43X pistol. So let's check it out. Nothing in there, nothing in there. There we go. All right. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Y'all stay safe and take care and carry every day.